Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start our new chapter, chapter 4. Safety first. It is very important chapter, student. Why? Because your safety is always come first for everyone. Safety is as simple as ABC. What is the full form of ABC? Always be careful. Students, putting yourself in a risky situation to save a little time can result in accidents or injuries. So, it is very important to stay safe, and we should always prefer safety over anything else. Okay, now, students, we'll start discussing importance of safety. Trisha has been waiting for her roller skating classes for a whole week. And now it's a day. She will get to practice her favorite sport. But coach did not allow her to enter. Why? Because she forgot to bring her safety helmet and the safety gears. And without safety gear, he did not allow her. She cried. Whole day she cried. But even that coach did not allow her. Do you think, students, the coach did the right thing? Yes, because safety always comes first in every case. Without safety gears, Trisha can met with an accident also. So we should always be careful whenever we play, whenever we are outside or inside also. But we should always be careful. We should follow certain rules. Three rules are very important part. What are those? First is always be alert. Students, you should be cautious and alert in every situation. Whenever you are on the road, never jump a red light. That is also a condition of alertness of yours. So you should be alert every time. Dress appropriately. Means if winter season is there, you should not wear cotton clothes because cotton clothes meant for summer season. Otherwise, you may fall ill. So, dress according to the weather. Okay, or never forget to wear your safety gears if you are doing cycling, skating, or other kind of sports. It makes a lot of sense to use common sense. Clear? Now, patience pays. Very important. Being impatient can turn you in a patient. So, always pay some patience. Means learn to wait for your turn at roads when traffic is heavy or stand in the queue while waiting for metro or other place also. Students, a little hurry can be the cause of big worry. Means you may get any injury because of that. If you are going somewhere, before 5 minutes you can leave your home. Very important part. Okay, students. So, how can we be safe at our home? Students, prevention is always better than cure. Kitchen is the place where most of the mishaps happen. So, you should be very careful when you are inside of your kitchen. Imagine, like students, you are alone at your home and the case of gas leak occur. What you will do? Students, first, the first thing that should come in your mind, that is a regulator that shown in first picture, yellow shade. You should just close the regulator first. Do not touch at all any kind of switches, electrical switches. It may have some spark and that the gas catch that fire. Open all the windows and doors. And even that if it would not stop, then contact to the agency as soon as possible. Second thing in kitchen is your gas burners or your flame. Whenever you are using anything, students, your hot utensils or other things, you should always be very careful to avoid burns and scalds. Scalds are also a kind of burn only. Use sharp objects like knives and scissors with caution. Means students avoid using it. Give it to your elder one, they can easily use it. Why? Because you may get hurt also because of that. Keep the kitchen floor dry so that you do not slip. Most of the time, because we are doing so much work in the kitchen, sometimes your particular floor would become wet. So just use a mop to clean it and dry it. Now, students, next in other places, in case of electricity, whenever you are using any kind of electrical appliances, you should use it with care. You should wear those rubber slippers because if you are not using those, then you may get any kind of shock also. So, while using any kind of electrical gadgets or appliances, you wear rubber slippers. Do not touch it with wet hands also, student. Any live electrical wire means in that some electricity is going on or is in continuation. You should not touch it. All the wires should be insulated. Insulated means it should have some cover. Never operate any broken or faulty electrical appliances. Faulty wires should never be ignored also. Ignored means like you should repair it as soon as possible. Otherwise, other persons in your house or you may get electrical shock. So, in case of electricity, also you should be very much careful. Clear, students? Understand this thing? Apply these things in your home also. Understand it carefully and use those safety rules in your daily life. Students, how we can be safe on the roads? We can easily be safe on the roads by following certain rules. What are those? Students, you should cross the road very carefully. Always use zebra crossing. If available, use an overbridge or underpass to go to the other side of the road. Mostly in metropolitan cities like in your Delhi and other places, you have seen those underpass also or overbridge also. Never ride the two-wheeler without wearing a helmet. A helmet is a must for both the riders of the bike. Why? To avoid the head injury. Students, avoid riding the bicycle or bike on the roads with very heavy traffic. Otherwise, you may injured with by anything. Okay? So you should be very much careful. Students, this time your home is safest place for you. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.